What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about DIY lampshade. For the base of the lampshade I used paper, so this is going to be very easy. I also posted another video on lampshade earlier. I put the link below. If you want you can check that out. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. We need two different color paper, glue, scissor, knife, peachboard or cardboard. For decoration, washi tape and pom-pom lace. First, add glue on the paper, then add the another one. I am marking this area where I will stick the washi tape for the decoration. After that, I sketch some design and going to cut it out with a knife. You can also color this if you want. Then roll and add the two ends of the paper with some glue. Sticking the washi tape where I joined the two ends of the paper. Place it over the cardboard, draw the outline, cut that out. Then I covered both the sides with red paper. On the cardboard, place and mark the outline of the holder. Then you have to cut it out also. Add the lampshade on the cardboard. Here I use the hot glue. You can use any glue. And attach the holder and the bulb. For the decoration, I add the pom-pom lace around the cardboard. Within 1 hour, I finished the lampshade and here it is. Give a big like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.